Hi friends, in this video I am going to suggest some ideas for converting the old calendars as study material for children. Usually each calendar has 6 sheets or pages. First 6 months, January to June, are printed in order on one side, and next 6 months, July to December, are printed on the reverse side. So these 12 pages are available for us. I selected some scientists' pictures. There are other topics also, not only scientists. Like scientists, we can take international scientists or national scientists or Nobel laureates from India. Then authors or writers either in English language or local language. Then artists, painters and dancers of international fame or national level. Then musicians, vocal and instrumental. Then freedom fighters and patriots that we can select to the names of great freedom fighters and patriots we select, and then we should take their pictures and then we should write some information about them. Then next, great kings and warriors of the country. Then next topic may be philosophers and reformers. The next topic we can take are sports persons from different sports. Then actually historical monuments we can select. Movies actually I don't suggest for the children, but to just get them interested to do it on their own, they may try. But the other topics we have to select and give the students, and then we should help them to get their pictures and the information about them. So that involves parents or teachers also for preparation of such type of calendars. So just for example, I selected 6 scientists calendar I wanted to prepare. So I selected 6 physicists and 6 chemists whose work is very important. So all students generally have to study about them. Physicists, I wrote here names, and chemists also, but one may change according to their interest. Physicists, Galileo, Isaac Newton, Thomas Alva Edison, Marie Curie, Niels Bohr and Albert Einstein. And from chemists, I selected Lavoisier, Humphrey Davy, Michael Faraday, Louis Pasteur, Robert Bunsen and Alfred Nobel. So once pictures and information are ready, we can stick the pictures of the physicists and some information about them on one side of the pages of the calendar. 6 pages, 6 physicists. Then on the reverse side, we can stick the pictures of the chemists with some notes about their work. So once when the children see one scientist picture for 1 month, they remember him clearly and they get interested and they would like to know more about their work, and next month they will see another person. So like this I prepared this Galileo and some information. The next one is Isaac Newton. So some information about him. Then the next one is Marie Curie. Then some points about her work. Then Niels Bohr. So here also information points. Then next one is Albert Einstein. The next one, actually in order we can prepare because Thomas Alva Edison. So this is about his work. So they belong to different countries, different time periods, but still their work is very much useful for the whole world. So this is Lavoisier. I prepared another calendar also. So here same picture, chemist on the reverse side, different pictures of the same person. So whatever you like you can take. But here the information has yet to be added. And this is Humphrey Davy, chemists these are. And here it is Michael Faraday. Then next one is Robert Bunsen. Then if the order changes also no problem. This is Louis Pasteur. He is very important chemist whose work made microbiology. Father of microbiology he is known as. Then Alfred Nobel. Everybody knows about Nobel Prize, and he is a chemist. He was a chemist, and how he established this prize, Nobel Prize, why he established, all that is given in this. So this will be useful for the children because they will be looking at the same person for one full month on the walls of their classroom or in their room. In the house also. So they will be knowing about the person, details about the person and his work. So they will get more interest to know more about them, and they will generally get interested in the science also. So this is actually to inculcate more interest in science subjects. I thought of preparing, but then I realized that this will be useful for the other topics also. So the old calendars which usually we throw away once New Year comes, these we can convert them into the useful study material for the children. So I hope you like this video, this idea, and then you may give this project work, make your children do this project work so they will remember their studies points they will develop the interest in the subject, concerned subject. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and relatives who have the children studying from 7th to intermediate. It will be useful for them very much. And teachers also can instruct or share this, pass on this to other teachers, other schools, other known who are related with the academics education. So it will be useful for many people. I hope you all appreciate this idea, and you will make the children learn more interesting, and you convert this recycling the old calendars also. So thank you for watching.